Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating power. This is non-negotiable. Once the AC is powered down, confirm 0 volts at the service panel with your multimeter because safety protects both you and the unit. While the panel is open, remove access screws and note wiring locations. Make sure you have the replacement stabilizer and insulated tools. This prevents shorts and lets you work efficiently. Keep the unit manual nearby. It tells you exact connector labels, so you won't swap live and neutral by mistake. Once you've exposed the stabilizer, label every conductor, L, N, E, and any control wires, so reassembly is foolproof. Next, test input and output voltages and continuity to verify failure modes. You expect roughly 220 to 240 volts in and regulated output within about 5%, so any large deviation confirms component failure. Inspect the PCB closely for blown capacitors, burn traces, or a tripped thermal fuse. Document photos. You now install the replacement stabilizer. Match each labeled wire to its terminal and tighten terminals to avoid loose connections which cause heat. Reattach the bracket and ground firmly. Once reassembled, reconnect power and run the AC through a full cycle. Monitor input and stabilized output voltages and listen for normal compressor startup. If the unit still misbehaves, make sure the thermostat and compressor current draw are within spec, because a bad compressor can mimic stabilizer failure. If needed, contact manufacturer support with your model and serial number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.